Hello everybody, today I've got the Chubb cam lock. I'm just picking something, I've just picked this, I'm just picking something easy. Like you see, my hands are still aching all around my knuckles, and that's like one of them irritating achy pains, you know what I mean? As you can see, it all works sweet. And there's your key bitten for that one. Not a bad key bitten, looks quite easy, doesn't it? I think there's, what I've counted, I think there's actually eight discs in this. I'll just show you working again, just so you can see it all working sweet as. Right. And what I'm going to be using is this injector pin, because on these, all you've got to do on these, just grip the last disc, and once you've got the tension on that last disc, that's all you really need it. Right, so I'm not going to grip that last disc if I can. I've got it, so right. Right, I want to use this broken pick. Basically on these Chubb wafer locks, that's what it is, a wafer. It's not like a disc turner with a sidebar, I don't think. With these, you just basically pushing the discs up till you get in this shape of the key, basically. So let's crack on. Sorry, my fingers get in the way because I just need to feel the discs. I can't usually pick like that and feel the disc, but sometimes I can't. I should have sucked this vice down as well, because it's moving all over the place. It's not really hard, this, like you just got to find a few discs and it usually turns out. I've got it, I think I've got it. Right, I'll show you. As you can see there, I've got it. There you go. There you go. So there's your Chubb here, the cam lock picked. I will catch you on the next one. It'll be a little while before I make another video. Probably, maybe my next video will be the giveaway, because I've got to give me poor little hands a rest at old age, innit? Anyway, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra.